Hi, my dear friends. I hope you are doing well. My name is Anant, and I welcome you in the beautiful session of TOC. In this session, we are going to discuss about how to convert a given finite automata into a left linear grammar, that is LLG, right? And also we can convert a left linear grammar into a finite automata, right? So one by one we are going to discuss in this session. So first of all, let's go with conversion of FA to LLG, right? So this is a simple three-step process actually, or you can say rules, or you may say steps, right? So these are the given three steps over here. And the first step what we have to do is that we have to interchange a start state and the final state. So in this scenario, the finite automata is given to us, and we have to just interchange the initial state into final and the final state into the initial state, right? This will be the first step. And in the second step, we have to just reverse the direction of all the transitions. For example, if any state is transiting from left to right, we have to reverse it, in the sense it will transit to right to left. Simple. And then the third step is to write the LLG. So in this way, these are very simple steps, my dear friends. So if you follow these steps, automatically our finite automata will get converted into the LLG. So let's start to understand it by solving some examples. So let's try to solve the first example. So here given finite automata has two states, my dear friends, that is Q0 and Q1. So we can understand that two non-terminals will be there in our grammar. So let's call the known non-terminals to the given states. So let's call this Q0 as an yes and Q1 as an T, right? So let's follow the steps, my dear friends. So just I will draw the finite automata once again with a interchanging of the states. So given final state, we have to convert it into the initial state, and the initial state we have to convert into the final state, right? And let's, so this becomes my yes and this becomes my T after interchanging, right? And yes was transiting. So these were the transitions, right? So the second state we have to reverse the directions. So as you can see here in the previous diagram, Q0 is transiting to Q1. So now if we have to reverse the direction, in the sense we have to transit this yes to T with input, same input will remain the same, A, and now this B transition, as it is on self loop, even we change the direction, so it will remain over here only, right? So this becomes the second step diagram. And now let's try to write the LLG, right? So let's try to write it from the initial state. As initial state is yes, so we have to write yes gives, so it is transiting to T, and as it is LLG, we have to write the non-terminal onto the left side. So it gives us T, and A, as it is a final state, we have to write A as it is, right? And also you can see yes is transiting with input symbol B, so it is going to yes with input B, right? So this completes the two transitions of yes. Now let's try to write for T. So as you can see, T has no any transitions. We can write T gives us epsilon, as it is the final state, right? So this is an simple grammar, my dear friends, and you can see all the non-terminals are written onto the left side, so that it indicates us The given grammar is left linear grammar, that is LLG. So this was a simple solution. So let's move ahead with the second problem statement, and after following the first step, let's call Q0 as yes and Q1 as T. So let's try to again draw the diagram over here. So I will make this as an final state, this as an initial state. So this becomes initial state, and this becomes yes, and this becomes T. And now let's reverse the transitions, my dear friends, right? So this will transit to T with B. The yes will transit to yes with input symbols A and B, and T transits to T with input symbol A. So all transitions are finished, and we have reversed the initial state, final state, and we have also reversed the directions. Right, now let's try to write the grammar for this, my dear friends. So let's start from the initial state, that is yes. So yes gives me yes A, yes gives me yes B. So this I have written for the self loop, my dear friends. Right, now let's try to write for also S is transiting to T. So yes is transiting to T with input symbol B as it is final state slash B. Right, and now let's try to write for T as being a final state. T is transiting to T only with input symbol A as it is final state slash A. Right, so let's check it out. For every one thing we have to keep in our mind is that how many arrows you do have, how many transitions you do have, that many production rules should be generated. So let's see for A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 production rules are there. So this is my simple left linear grammar for a given finite automata. So let's try to increase a little bit a difficulty level, my dear friends, and let's move ahead. So this is an given finite automata to us, and now let's follow the first step, my dear friends. Let's already they have given the assumptions, right? Like Q0 is to be called yes, Q1 is to be called T, and Q2 is called to be P. So if I hope you people can see this, it is Q2P, right? So directly let's draw the finite automata, right, by interchanging the states. So this is my initial state, so I will make it as an final, and this is my final state, I will make it as an initial state, right? So this becomes my initial state, and this becomes my final state, and intermediate state remains the same over here, and let's give the names to this. So this becomes my yes, this becomes my P, and this is my T. And now let's try to reverse the transitions, my dear friend, right? So again the self loop remains here with the transition B, and this will transit to T with A, this will transit to yes with A. Again it will transit to the same state with input B. T is transiting to P, and this transition remains on the loop with input B, right? So, and this is your A. So I think all the transitions I have drawn here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Yeah. So as 6 transitions, we will have 6 production rules will be there in our grammar, my dear friend, right? So let's try to write the production rules over here, starting from the initial state, and that is yes. So yes gives me yes B for the self loop, and yes gives me it yes gives a T with input symbol A, and as a T is the intermediate node, no any slashes over here. All right, so let's move with the T. So T is transiting to yes with input symbol A, as well as T is transiting to self loop with B, and T is also transiting to the final state P with input symbol A, and as it is final state slash A. Right, and then finally let's try to write for the P, that is our final state, and it is the transiting to itself with input symbol B as it is final state slash B. So these are my six production rules for the given finite automator, my dear friends. So up to now, I hope you people have understood it very properly and without any doubts, my dear friend. I think so. If I have any doubts, again, if you can put it in the comment box, please. Right. So these were some examples how to convert the FA to LLG. Right. So now let's see how we can convert a given LLG into a finite automata. Right. So let's move ahead, my dear friends. Again, as we saw some rules or the steps while converting FA to LLG, the same steps we do have here while converting into LLG to FA, but in the opposite way, right? So in this, again, LLG to FA conversion, it is a three-step process, and in that, the first step is to draw. So in that, the first step is to draw the transition diagram. So given grammar will be there, and based on that grammar, we have to draw the diagram, and then we have to reverse the transitions, and then we have to interchange the start state and the final state, right? So with this introduction and understanding of the steps to convert LLG to FA, let's move ahead with some examples, right? So this is one example in front of you, my friends, where we do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 production rules are given here, and as you see, all the non-terminals are written onto the left side. We can say this is an LLG, and let's see how many non-terminals are there. So 1, 2, 3. So 3 non-terminals are there. It means that at least 3 states will be there in my finite automata, right? So let's move ahead and draw the first step of finite automata. So let's follow from the initial state. As we know, it is giving this is my yes, and it is my initial state, and yes gives me a C A. So let's draw another state, and let's call it as an a C, as yes is transiting to C with input symbol A. Right, so this becomes this finishes the first production rule. So now let's go to the second production rule. Yes is also transiting to B with the input symbol B. All right, and this finishes the second production rule. Now let's move on to the third. C is transiting to B. C is transiting to B with input symbol B, and B is transiting to B only, so self loop it has, and with input symbol A, right? And the last production you can see here somewhat in different manner it is given as C. The capital B is transiting to only B. No any non-terminal is given over here, C, my dear friends, right? Only a single terminal is given. It means that the uh, B is transiting to some final state, my dear friends, right? So what we can make one more state which is an final state, which is not given into our grammar, but B is transiting to it with input symbol B, and let's name this state as an any letter. Let's give F, right? So this finishes all the production rules in a simple manner following the steps, right? So this is my first step, my dear friends, right? Now let's follow the second and the third step. So the second step is reverse all the transitions, right? So reversing all the transitions. So again, once again, we have to draw the finite automata. That will be our final finite automata, my dear friends. And as I know this is my initial state, I have to make it a final state, and this remains the intermediate state as it is, and this I will make as an initial state. As this was the final state, I will make it initial state, right? So now I have to transit from initial state to final state, and by reversing the directions, my dear friends. So mm, B is reversing to final state. Let's name it first S, C, B, and F, right? And F is transiting to B with B. B is transiting to C with C, and let's reverse the direction with A, and this gives us A, this gives us B, B, A, and so on, right? So this finishes the drawing of my finite automata, my dear friends. So in this way, given LLG is converted into the FA in a simple way, right? I hope you people understood this, right? So if you have any doubts over here, my dear friends, please put it in the comment box, right? So let's move ahead with a very interesting problem statement where normally many a time they will ask you to convert in LLG to a FA or FA to LLG, FA to RLG, RLG to FA, but also they may ask you to convert into LLG to RLG or RLG to LLG, right? So let's see one simple example of this type, right? So let's move ahead. So this can be converted by converting the LLG into FA, and then the FA can be converted into the RLG, right? So let's move on to the first step to convert the LLG into FA first. And this is your given left linear grammar, and let's try to draw the finite automata, the first step of the LLG. So the given grammar is that S is the initial state, right? Now let's go on drawing all the production rules. So S gives B, and the input is 1. S gives A with the input 0, and next is yes is also going to C, so I will make it here C, and the given input is 0, right? So this finishes my first production rule. So let's move on to the second, that is B gives 1 1. So B is having a self loop, and as it is giving 1/1, so B is my the final state, right? And then let's move ahead with the next production rule, that is C gives A is 0. C is going to A with the input 0, and then finally A is going to A1, A with slash, so self loop 1. So A is also transiting to B1. A is transiting to B with input 1, and A is transiting to C with 0, and also A is transiting to only 0, in the sense A is transiting to a state which will be my final state, my dear friends. So let's call it as an F and the 0. So this is my first step of LLG to RLG FA conversion, my dear friends, right? So now see, we do have two final states in uh, a single finite automata. So we do have two final state in a single finite automata, right? So in a multiple final states are generated after drawing, we cannot apply the steps of LG to FA. So we have to put all the termination symbols on a separate state, my dear friends, right? And that will be our final state. So what I'm saying, that see, that's very important statement here. We cannot have a multiple states in a single finite automata while converting in the LLG to FA. So what we have to do is, if I have to convert, we have to transit all the termination symbols to a one state, and that will be our final state. So now let's see which are the single or a termination symbols. So we do have here termination symbol is 0, and another one you can see here, it is 1. So let's transit those to only one termination symbol with 1, and let's not call these as an final state. So right, so this is your intermediate state, let's call, right? And so F becomes the final state here. So that the criticalism, so the criticality what it was, that is mean removed from the finite automata, my dear friends. So now let's convert this into the finite automata. That is the second step we shall apply. All right, and now what we have to do is, we have to convert the initial state into the final state. So B is my intermediate state, C is intermediate state, A is intermediate state, and the F, which was final state, that becomes my initial state, right? So now just I will give the names to this. So this becomes my F, this becomes yes, this is my B, C, A, and now just I have to go on reversing the transitions, my dear friends. So this will be like in this way, and this will be transiting from B to A. So this will transit here, and this will transit here, right? So self loop, no any. So this finishes all my reversing the transitions, and let's label it 1 0 0 1 0 0 1. This is 0 and this is 1, and also we were having the self loop with 1. So this is my perfect finite automata, my dear friends, right? So just now we have converted into the finite automata. from LLG, but we have to convert the LLG to RLG, right? So now let's try to write the grammar. And grammar, always we have to start from the initial state. We have to always start from the initial state. So yes gives me, now it is a right linear grammar we have to write, so the non-terminals we have to write onto the right side. So this gives me 0a, also yes gives me b 1b, right? So these are two production rules for yes have been finished. Now let's move on to the b. So b gives 1b, b gives 1a, as well as b gives, and it is going to final state. So what I can write it here, 1b slash 1, right? So these finishes about the b. Now let's move on to a. So a gives 1a, also a gives 0c, and also a is going to final state, that is 0f0. So please make a simple change here, it should be 1f1, right? So 0f0, and then finally f gives, that is as it is going to nowhere, we can write the epsilon. So in this way total you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 production rules are there, my dear friends. So this is your RLG. So from this was our LLG, and from the LLG we have converted into the RLG successfully. So in this way we can convert LLG into RLG. So I hope you people have understood this, and this is very simple steps, my dear friends. This is a very simple conversion process, my dear friend, that includes the FA to LLG and LLG to FA, and also in the last we have seen LLG to RLG also. So you can put it on the comment box if you want, my dear friends. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much.